Yes, those initial days I had some fever, and for 2 3 days it was mild. On day 3 in the group, my friends advised me to go for RT-PCR. जल्दी नहीं थी, कोई सिम्टम नहीं थे, सिर्फ बुखार था। तो मैंने उस दिन कोशिश नहीं की, लेकिन अगले दिन जब बुखार 101 हुआ, चौथे दिन, by that time there was a rush of activities, lot of people going in for tests, labs not coming home for samples. So in the evening I drove to a lab nearby, gave my samples and got RT-PCR done, and locked myself in isolation at home as advised by the lab. Next day my report came positive, and the panic button started. But good thing is that we had already taken precautionary treatment of basic COVID treatment, as everyone knows by now. So I started getting treatment at home. Doctors were consulted. My wife herself, being a doctor, could coordinate with few people, and the fever was coming down sometimes with paracetamol, and but not exactly receding all the time. So we had further consultations and more test samples for the levels. My levels were increased. HRCT was also done, thanks to my son, who took me to nearby hospital, Columbia. And then the treatment with steroid and antibiotics also started. I was responding, and fever also started subsiding. But around 14 days or so, there were concerns of my comorbidity and some O2 levels, which were all right with prone breathing and pranayam, etc. But then you can't take chances. My friends arranged a bed in COVID ward, recently set up, same day set up on 30th April in All India Institute of Medical Sciences Trauma Center. So my son took me there and we got admitted. After treatment there for 5 days, I returned home on 4th night. There were difficulties of logistics and services and all kinds of things, but those are expected. The good thing is that we had to be positive at all times. I was doing all my work, including pranayam, breathing, personal hygiene and all that. In hospital also, I used to go to washroom myself. Even sometimes to spit you had to go, because there was no service available. People were busy, genuinely busy. Doctors and nurses and paramedics. So they were all under stress, and finally when I came home on 4th night, by again transport arranged by my friends and family, So then it was such a relief being at home. Now today is the 7th day of my home isolation. I am, you can see, doing well, positive, always been positive, now also positive. But I must advise everyone to follow COVID appropriate behavior, post care also, longer term also, and when you are not infected or and you have no problem also. I personally feel that I got it because of some my lapses. I never went out of home, but some people came home to do some work, and I interacted with them. Perhaps they had brought it to me because that person whom I interacted with got down with fever for about 7-8 days himself. So it was perhaps a lapse, or we don't want to know more details now. Some people say it is in air now. So the best part is that I am on full recovery path. Some sugar issues are there that are steroid induced. Steroid will also be over last dose today, and so I thought I'll share my story with you. COVID is there. When it attacks you, you must counter attack by just following COVID appropriate behavior and proper medication, medical advice, and remaining positive, doing your breathing exercise, pranayam, supplements, medicines, whatever have been prescribed to you, and thou shall be fine. Thank you for listening to my story on my fight with COVID. I had comorbidity conditions also, so it took a bit longer. Normally, I had taken first dose of Covishield also on 9th March, but by the time it was second was due, this thing came. Hopefully, the problem will be sorted out now. Thank you very much. Wish you good health, happiness, and no COVID. Say no to COVID. If COVID comes, then also say no to COVID. Don't allow COVID to get into your virus. Get that virus into you. If it gets in, take it away, flush it away. You have the methods and techniques and guidance from everyone now. Thank you very much, and I must thank all my family, friends, connections who were concerned about me, who constantly prayed for me, who gave me good wishes. Many of them gave me direct support, and above all, of course, my wife, Dr. Uma Pant, a symbol of great strength, courage, patience, and managing the problem of my COVID. नमस्कार, आप सबका आभार. हमेशा खुश रहिए.